Welcome to Dalfin. Advanced dashboards in Dalfin let you turn complex data into powerful visual insights using Superset inside the Advanced Analytics module. Before creating dashboards, everything starts with configuration. From the dashboard, go to Organization Settings and open Dashboard Configuration. Here, you select the system you want to work with. Choose the system name from the drop-down, then click Sync Configuration. Dalfin syncs the database for that system, and once completed, the schema name is displayed. This schema is important. It defines the data source that Advanced Analytics will use to build dashboards. Select the schema for the system you just synced. From now on, this schema becomes the foundation for all advanced dashboards. With configuration complete, you're ready to move into Advanced Analytics. From Settings, open Advanced Analytics. The Superset interface opens with a default dashboard view. To create a new dashboard, click on the plus icon and choose Dashboard. Give your dashboard a name, then save it. Next, you need a dataset. Datasets define the data used to create charts. One way to create a dataset is directly from the Datasets menu. From the top bar, open Datasets and click on Add Dataset. Select the database, schema, and table from the drop-downs, then create the dataset and chart. Once saved, you're automatically redirected to the chart creation page. You can also create datasets using SQL Lab. From the SQL menu, open SQL Lab. Select the database and schema from the left panel. Then write a SQL query to join or filter multiple tables. Run the query to preview the results. When ready, save the query as a dataset, either as a new dataset or by overriding an existing one, and continue to explore it as a chart. With your dataset ready, you can now create charts. If you're not already on the chart page, open Charts and click Add Chart. Select the dataset, choose a chart type, and create a new chart. The chart editor opens. On the left, you can see the chart source. In the next panel, you can change chart types, select data fields, and customize colors, layouts, labels, and styling. Once the chart looks right, save it. Give the chart a name and assign it to your dashboard. Repeat this process to create as many charts as you need. Now return to the dashboard. Open it and click Edit Dashboard. From here, you can drag, resize, and rearrange charts on the canvas to build the layout you want. When the dashboard is ready, it's time to embed it back into your system. Open the Dashboard menu and select Embed Dashboard. Copy the generated dashboard ID. Go back to your system and open the Business Intelligence module. Create a new Superset dashboard entry. Enter the name and description, paste the dashboard ID. Submit the form to save. Your advanced dashboard now appears in the system and is ready to be used and shared. Your dashboard is now created and ready to publish. Thank you.